Hello students, welcome to all of you here on our YouTube channel. In this video, today we are going to study about practice set 2.2 of standard 9th maths 1 here. Look in your textbook, question number 1 here, show that 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Now, in the solution we have to write here, first of all, we have to assume this number, suppose 4 under root of 2 is a rational number. Then here, 4 under root of 2 means P upon Q, where P and Q are integers here. Now we have to shift that 4 to right side, so that 4 becomes multiplied to that of q here. Now here this side, the above equation shows to us here, the above equation shows that under root of 2 is a rational number, so which is not possible here. Now which is not possible because root 2 is irrational number. This is irrational number here. Root 2 is irrational number, so that our assumption was incorrected. Our assumption was incorrected. Therefore, 4 under root of 2 is an irrational number. 4 under root of 2 is an irrational number. Okay, student. Now look here. Question number 2 here. Show that 3 plus under root of 5 is an irrational number. So we have to suppose the given number. Firstly here, assume here 3 plus under root of 5 is a rational number. Means the given number is irrational. Means we have to show this number is irrational. But we have to assume opposite of that first here. 3 plus under root of 5 is rational number. Now we know here, therefore we have to write here 3 plus under root of 5 is equal to this side P upon Q here. Okay, next one we have to shift that 3 to this side here now. So that's why only root 5 is left here is equal to P upon Q minus 3 here, because of here this 3 is plus here. So if you shift here becomes minus. Now right here under root of 5 is equal to here P minus 3P upon Q, means here cross multiplication of this, you take LCM. Okay, we get this way. And right now here, therefore we have to write now, this is our equation. The above equation shows that under root of 3 is a rational number. Under root of 3 is a rational number which is not possible. Which is not possible. Means under root of, wait a minute, under root of 5 here. Under root of 5 is rational number which is not possible, in the sense under root of 5 is not rational number which is not possible, because, so write here is the correct statement here, because under root of 5 is irrational number, so that our assumption was incorrected. Therefore finally write the statement 3 plus under root of 5 is an irrational number. Is 3 plus under root of 5 is an irrational number. Okay, this is the answer of question number 2 here. Okay student, look here now. Our question number 3 here, represent the numbers under root of 5 and under root of 10 on number line here. We have to show these two numbers on a number line. Okay student, you know here how to show that two numbers on a number line here. So first of all, here under root of pi. We are showing that under root of pi here on a number line. Okay, first step in this, we have to draw a number line here. So take a scale, draw a number line here. Just a minute. This is your line here first. Then take 2 centimeter distance here. Okay, here take a 2 centimeter distance here. So mark on this line here. Now after this, suppose here is your 0, then here 1, here 2, here 3. Okay, up to like this way. Here -1, here -2. We are showing here first under root of pi. Okay, look student, here is under root of pi. You know here 2 square becomes 4, and that pi means we have to showing after 2. Okay, under root of pi means here. You know here student, 1 minute please. This 2 means here under root of 4. So consecutively you know that pi becomes after the 4 here. So that's why. Now next step student, here we have to draw. Before that, mention suppose here is O point, and okay. Next one, we have to now draw a perpendicular from here, means from 2 here. Now this is our perpendicular here. Then after this, we have to mention, suppose I am taking here A point, OA means here A. Now take a distance of 2 centimeter here. So here this is 2 centimeter. Draw one arc here on that perpendicular. After this, join as well as mention another one point here, OA, and suppose here B. Then join O and B here. Join O and B point here. Join these 2 points. Okay. Here join these 2 points O and B here. Now after that, put the rounder on point O and take a distance up to B here. Take a distance up to B here and then draw arc here. After drawing arc here, we got the next point here student. This point means here, this is under root of pi here. Look student, we have to show the another number here, represent under root of 10 here. Same procedure here. First of all, we have to draw here number line here. Then after this, we are taking now 2 centimeter distance on that number line here. Okay, suppose this is your 0 here. Now here this side -1, here is 1, 2, here is 3. Okay, after that suppose here is 4. Now look student, we have to represent the under root of 10. We have to search the previous number. Under root of 10 means the previous number student here under root of 9. Under root of 9 means here which number? 3. In this sense, here is your under root of 9. So obviously you know after that our under root of 10 will be there after the 3 as well as after under root of 9 here. Now from this number we have to draw a perpendicular here. In this sense, we have to draw a perpendicular from here, from that 3. Next now here, give the 90-degree symbol here. Then next here, same thing here. Suppose your point is O here. Here is suppose B, okay. A point is here and suppose here is okay. Now take 2 centimeter distance after that. Then draw a arc of 2 centimeter here above. Then O, A, and then next point suppose here is B. Join these 2 points student here. Look here. Join these 2 now, which this O and B here, please. Join O and B here. Okay, join O and B here. Now we got one right angle triangle. After this, take a distance up to OB. We are taking a distance up to OB here. So take a distance from O to B here. O to B here. And then draw one more arc here. Take properly. Then draw one arc from point B here. 1 minute. Okay. This point becomes, student, here under root of 10 here. This is under root of 2 here. Okay. This is the answer of question number 3 here. We show root 5 and root 10 on a number line here. Okay, student, now look here. Our next question here, question number 4. Write any three rational numbers between the two numbers given below. Question number 1 here, 0.3 and minus 0.5 here. Be carefully, student. First of all, keep it in your mind. There are infinite numbers between any two rational numbers. So, look here. Here is 0.3 and here is minus 0.5. Suppose if you observe our scale here, on the scale, here, suppose here is 0 and here is 1. In between this, there are 10 lines, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here is suppose 1. This is our 1 number, student. Here is suppose 0.3. And in this side, minus 5, in the sense fifth number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The fifth one. Here this is suppose minus 0.5. That fifth number lines means minus 0.5 here. Just a minute, student. Minus 0.5 here, and this is 0.3. We have to write the between numbers. Look here, how many numbers are there? Here are 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 numbers are here, but we have to write any 3. Means we have to write between numbers of this here. Which are between these? If you take the previous number here is minus 0.5. So write in your solution minus 0.5, 0.4, then minus 0.3. Then second value becomes minus 0.2. First means here minus 0.1. This side here, student, 0.1 and 0.2. You have to write any 3 numbers from these numbers. This is your answer here. Okay, student, look here, the second question here, minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. Okay, here is after decimal, one number is here, and after decimal, here is 2 numbers, in the sense 2 digits, here is only 1 digit. So that's why we have to extend one more 0 here. So in your solution, if you extend one more 0, we get here 2.30 and here minus 2.33. We want any 3 numbers, but if you compare here after this, in the sense here 30, we know here only 2 numbers are between these two, in the sense minus 2.31 and minus 2.32. But we need 3 numbers here. We need how many numbers? 3 numbers. So that's why we have to extend another one more 0 here, becomes 300 here, and okay, extend one more 0 in the second number also. Here is 330. If you look, here is 300, here is 330. Between these two there are 28 terms. So we have to write finally now minus 2.301 minus 2.302 minus 2.303 up to here. Before that, minus 2.329 here. As you have to